everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julia Oliverius, and today I want to show you how to use a cream to powder highlighter. So one thing that I really like about these is they're easy to use, they're easy to blend, and you can use them for an everyday look or a night look. So with the ones that I use, there's 5 different shades, and really anybody can use any of the 5 shades because it really just comes down to how noticeable you want that highlight to be. If you want it to be a little bit more subtle, you're going to choose a color that's closer to your skin tone. If you want it to be a little bit more bold, you're going to choose a color that is less like your skin tone. So what I've done today, I've created just kind of a light look. I've just used some bronzer on my cheeks, and on this side I've already applied my luminizer. So today I chose this really pretty kind of rose gold color. Love it. Similar to my skin tone. There's a really pretty silver one and a gold one, for example, that are less like my skin tone, so those stand out a little bit more. Those are a lot of fun to use as well. So today I've chosen this rose gold color, and really all you need for this 2 items, the product of course itself, and just a simple brush that you can blend with. So I like this brush because it's a little bit smaller, not quite as big as a powder puff brush, and the bristles are a little bit shorter, so it's certainly not stiff. It's definitely a very movable tool, but you don't want to go with anything too fluffy because you do want to be able to blend this. So like I said, close up for you. You can see that nice luminescent glow on it. It is a cream, and then as it dries, it changes to a powder, so it makes it super easy to blend. So what I've done is I've already applied it, and you can see this nice little shimmer that's going on right here. So when you apply it, you want to think about it this way. This is like the front of your cheekbone. This is like the top of your cheekbone. Focus more towards the top of your cheekbone. Now, naturally, this is a little bit wider. You're going to get it on the front of your cheekbone. Totally okay. But focus it more towards the top. Then what you want to do is focus about the outside right here of the color of your eye, your iris. Focus there as your starting point. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of glide it right on. You guys can see where I've applied that. And you just follow the cheekbone up. So this is how you get that look that you see a lot in magazines, where the model in the magazine has this beautiful glow right here. That's what this is. So then what you do is you just take your brush and you just go right on top of it and just blend it. A little up and down. You can swirl, whatever works best for you. And then you've just blended it. So what I've done today is just created this really nice kind of bronzy look on my cheeks today using that rose gold color, and then it just blends right in real subtle with my bronzer. So that's it. If you've got questions, let me know. Be sure to check out my website. Lots of good stuff going on over there. I've got my blog, I've got my online store, and my VIP group that you can be a part of. That's at julieoliverius.com. And if you've got questions, drop them below, or feel free to send me a private message. I'd be happy to help you out. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.